We're gonna watch one of the funniest Lightning McQueen videos. Okay, we're gonna watch the funniest videos of Lightning McQueen. One of the funniest videos. Okay, this is just an ad. Wait. Okay, guys, starting now. What is that? Bruh, he even farted. Bruh, what is this? Why does he look like that? Bruh, what is that? Is that some kind of pixel art? Come on, what is this? What? Bro!
Gotta go fast. That's my line, you pretty.
Bruh. What is wrong with Sonic? With McQueen? Bruh, he left a caca. Bruh. What? Bruh. Bro! Oh. How? Bruh. Where is he going? Oh no. He's no. Bruh, he just left the caca. Oh no, not again. Not again. Here comes Tomater. Oh no. Oh, what?
Hello there, stranger. I see you have woken up.
What happened? Where am I?
You were in a car accident. My buddy here, Little Tooth, brought you to our little town so you could be taken care of.
Thanks for all the help, champs. But I really gotta be going now.
Oh no, my friend. You are still recovering. Don't worry. We're gonna take very good care of you.
What?
You should listen to the dog, sweetie.
What?
You're absolutely right. I should stay a bit longer until I'm fully
what?
Look at you. You're so skinny. You must be starving. Here, eat this.
Yes, you should eat as much as possible to grow big and healthy. Don't be shy.
Okay, if you say so.
So, let me introduce you to our humble little town. There's our police station.
What?
There's Luigi's tire shop. Our drugstore.
What
What?
about that building over there?
You must keep away from that one. Only townsfolk is permitted in there.
Why is that? What's in there?
That's none of your concern, boy. What you should worry about is feeding yourself.
Here's our welcome banquet, just for you. Enjoy.
What? Oh, where do you think you're going? Oh, no, you won't. No, you won't. No. Oh, nah.
So, you've uncovered our little secret.
Oh my god, you are cannibals.
Don't judge us. We're just doing what we must do to survive in this post-apocalyptic world.
What are you talking about? There was never any apocalypse, and society is fully functional out there.
Oh really? Or whatever, we're still gonna enjoy eating your oily ass for dinner.
Oh,
come on, boy.
no. Oh no, nah. Don't mind that.
Get
Don't
over
mind
here,
that.
darling.
Don't mind
It's
that.
time to eat, and
Oh
you are
no,
our main dish.
nah. I'm sorry, guys. He said that. I did not mean to. Just please. I did not mean to. It's the video. But keep watching. Oh no, he's running out of fuel. He's running
Oh
out
no,
of
no,
fuel.
no. I'm out of gas.
Oh no. Oh. Bro, what am I watching, bro? Why is he screaming like that? No, no way.
What's the matter, Zimba?
Oh, Father, I had the worst nightmare. I dreamed I was a racing car who had a very painful accident and ended up in an isolated town full of car cannibals who wanted to eat me.
Don't be stupid, Zimba.
Oh, what? Okay. Well, we're going to the next video. Okay. Carbs? What? Okay.
Breakfast.
Okay.
I eat breakfast.
Hey, Langdon, you ready?
Okay.
I should have had breakfast.
Okay.
This is it, Daryl. One lap to go, and Lightning McQueen has a huge lead.
Oh, he's got it in the bag. Go in the nose, put out the...
Oh, nah. What am I watching?
Checkered flag. Here I come. Oh, no! McQueen!
No. On pause.
Hey, buddy. You're one stupid racer. Oh, hey, Mr. the King. A lot of cars have got more talent in their butt than your whole body. If you figure that out, you just gonna be okay.
Yes! Lightning McQueen here. Good chow! Me! Wow! Nothing sues a rusty bumper like me! Look at that shine! Use Lightning McQueen and you too can look like the rear end like me!
Bro, what? Oh. What?
マクイーン選手は現在行方がわからないという情報が入ってきました。
I don't know what's harder to find. Lightning McQueen or
Hamburger.
Lightning
Bro,
McQueen
what?
must be
Oh,
found
oh.
at all costs.
They are all asking the same question.
Nah, I did not mean it. Okay, I'm sorry, I did not mean it. It was that video.
Want a break from the
Take whatever you want, just don't hurt me! You read about the car! Officer, talk to me, babe. How long is this gonna take? I gotta get to California pronto.
Where's your lawyer?
Listen, me, you, dinner.
But you go!
The defendant has no lawyer. The court will assign one to him.
All you have to do now is stand there and let me look at you.
You're so
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I scare you?
All right. I want to know who's responsible for wrecking my town. I'm going to put him in jail till the jail rots on top of him, and then I'm going to move him to a new jail and let that jail rot.
Hey,
Throw him out of here, Sheriff.
he's letting me go.
He's letting you go?
I know I create feelings in others that they themselves don't understand.
Okay. I'm gonna go talk to the judge. Doc, you look great this morning.
No,
Did you do something different?
no,
Come on, make this guy fix the road. The town needs this.
no. I know his type. Racist. It's the last thing this town needs.
But I should be in California schmoozing Dynaco right now!
And if I were you, I'd quit yapping and start working. Look him up later. Okie dokie.
What?
You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Look, Von Dutch.
We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. Where are your fingers? Seriously.
Rick? Donkey! Wake up! No! gotta get out of here. Oh. I'm done. Look, I'm finished. Just say thank you and I'll be on my way. That's all you gotta say.
It looks awful.
Wait, you're being nice to me.
Who do you think you are?
Lightning McQueen, and I use Busty's Medicare. Nothing sues a rusty bumper like you. Lightning McQueen here, and I use you, and you too. Wow, look at me. Use me, and you too. Can look like Chester.
This is a self-driving car. It uses sensors and software to drive itself to keep me and...
Oh
my... This is a self-driving car. It uses sensors and software to drive itself to keep me and other people safe. I hope.
This ain't asphalt, son. This is dirt.
Oh, so you're a judge, a doctor, and a racing expert.
I'll put it simple. If you're going hard enough left, you'll find yourself turning left.
Oh, right. That makes perfect sense. Turn right to go right.
Yes, thank you. What an idiot.
Turn right to go right. Oh.
What was that for?
What?
Huh?
Nothing. I just thought I'd say what?
What? I don't get it.
Women. Want a break from the ads?
No, mate, I gotta finish this road, and I have to get out of here.
Well, that's all right. You probably couldn't handle it anyway.
Whoa, easy now, Mater. You know who you're talking to. This is Lightning McQueen. I eat breakfast.
Breakfast! All right, listen. When I say go, we go. But don't let Frank catch it. Go!
Whoa, who's Frank?
I don't care who you are. That's funny right there. Your turn, bud.
Mater, I can't. I don't even have a horn.
Baby.
I'm not a baby. All right, stop, okay? All right, I'll do something. Number one. Ah, this is nice.
Hey, Sticker.
I understand. You know, R&R, recharge your
Wait.
batteries, but...
Replay.
Number one. Ah, this is nice.
Hey, Sticker.
I understand you need a little R&R, recharge the old batteries, but, you know, after a while, why didn't you
Replay
go
one
back?
more time.
Number one. Ah, this is nice.
Hey, Sticker.
I understand you need a little R&R, recharge the old batteries, but, you know, after a while, why didn't you go back?
I fell in love with this.
What's wrong with Red?
Oh, he just likes me for my body.
Bruh.
So, Stickers. Last one to Flo's buys?
I don't know. Why don't we just take a drive?
Nah.
Good job!
Whoa! Wait. Okay guys, that's all for today. make sure to like, subscribe. Don't forget to go to rusty's.com. I don't even know what rusty's.com is, so no need to go search that. But don't forget to watch my new Like McQueen videos. Ka-chow!